Alright, I'm here at grocery, getting some supplies, you know. I'm low on supplies right now, you know. I'm really low on supplies, but I'm well protected, you know. Low on supplies, man. Gotta get this done no matter what. Gotta get me some red onion, you know what I mean? Red onion. Let me see. Okay, let me go back here. Let's take out this, we're low, you know. I'll make sure that I'm away, 6 feet away from people. Some oranges. Get some oranges here. Some oranges. A few oranges like that. Oh man. Grab myself. This one, I just need 2. Very, very careful, you know. Some are not wearing masks. I'm wearing mine, you know. Hi. Yeah. I gotta get an onion here. Red onion. Oh man, it's good. Red onion. It's good. Oh. Alright, let me get a bag here. Put it on the bag because you don't know. Yeah. You don't know, you know. You don't know who holds it. So you gotta put a bag here like that. Alright. Alright, let's move on. Oh. I'm gonna stay away. 6 feet, you know, 6 feet, man. I'm gonna have a 6 feet. Because, you know, you don't know what's going on. You're covered. That's what you do. Look at it, guys. Water? No water. Let me go on here. Let me get some loaf of bread. Let me get some loaf of bread here. Alright. Some loaf of bread. Oh. Chicken? No, not chicken. Looks like the whole food is stocked up. Coleslaw? No. Let's not get a coleslaw here. Get some loaf of bread. Stay away. Hi guys. Alright. I want this one here. Nature's Life Sugar Free. What's up, man? Thanks for your service, man. Whoa. Should I get a liquor? Well, I don't drink, so I don't drink anymore. This is just gonna get this done, you know. All right, what else do I need? I need something here. All right. Soup. I got soup. I got chili. I don't know. How about this one? Caffeine free. Diet. Let's get some sugar. No sugar. Right? Okay. Well, we have poison. It's a poison. That's my poison. All right. Hi guys. Everybody's wearing masks. I don't know. About some here, you know, something. No, I'm gonna get a fish. Chicken.
Or tomorrow.
Fish. Where's the fish? Fish on the other side. Oh yeah. A lot of shrimp here. Man, I need. Let me see. Well, still, you're gonna put your budget. I mean, know your budget. What's going on here? Um, let's see. It's $8. Whiting, $6. Good fish. It's got some whiting plus bones. It's good enough. Yeah, it's good enough. Down here, I already got oh, right here, it's $2 Pola. It's Pola. $2.99. Oops. Yeah, that's all I need. I don't want no whiting. They're expensive. I'm gonna go for the 99 cents. Hi guys, thanks for your service, man. All right. Oh yeah. Thanks for your service. Yeah. Good people, man. Get the grocery going. Let's go for the chips. Yeah, I told the guy, I said, thank you for your service, because this guy, man, they come up and serve us, they're the one who's keeping the grocery shop, really, manning it in the grocery shop, so it's really good, I just gotta thank them. All right, let's go get this. What is this? Tortilla, white corn. How much is 4 for 5? I don't know if I want that. I just need a Ritz cracker. It's cheaper. Oh, yeah, right there. $1.79. Yeah, you can get that. Hello. Get some eggs. Eggs number 1. This will last us for at least 1 week more or 2 weeks more. Let's see. Just a little bit. I don't really. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. There's no more hoarding around. Let me see the sanitizers and all that. There's still some stuff. Let's see. Oh, you got a lot of toilet. Hi. People are tired of buying all the toilet paper, so we have a lot. I can imagine those people that are hoarding toilet papers. They probably have a lot now at home, and then the virus is going down now. You know what I mean? Look at that. Still a lot. I need a sanitizer. That's what I need. All right, let me go look for hunt for a sanitizer. You know, hunt for sanitizer. See what's up. I have toilet paper at home, so we don't need it. Really. People that are hoarding toilet paper. Sanitizer. Where are you at? Hey. Oh, right here. Yeah, I want to go look for sanitizer. It's the hunt for sanitizer. Yeah. Hey, lady, where's our hand sanitizers? Oh, you don't have any. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry. Oh, they're still out of hand sanitizer. Hi. Thanks for the service. No. No. This is it. This ends our show here. I'm really, I got an egg. I got a bread. Fish. Diet Coke, which is the poison. That's my poison. And crackers. That's it. Alright, let's go out to... Oh, I can't get in there. It's loud. Go out to the catching area. Alright, we'll see you soon, buddy.